Is your storage space running out? Here's how to fix it. Although smartphones these days come with a significant amount of storage, we still somehow get caught by the hassle of lagging behind our storage needs. Regardless of being an Android or iPhone user, you must have encountered the problem of insufficient storage space in your phone. Want to know how to fix it? Then keep watching. First of all, to save yourself from this adversity, keep your data organized and cleaned by regular trimming unwanted data from your device storage. Having insufficient storage could become more than a mere inconvenience, as it brings adverse effects on your device performance and general functionality, and doesn't let you install crucial updates or new apps. The first solution is to back up photos and videos to the cloud. Depending on the device you're using, Android or iPhone, head to Google Photos or iCloud. Turn on the auto backup of your device's photos and videos and delete them from your device. The photos and videos remain on your cloud storage even after being deleted from your phone. The second solution is to uninstall unnecessary apps. First, go to the settings of your phone. Now tap on Apps. Now delete the apps that are not in your everyday use. You should target the apps you haven't used in over a week or a month. The third solution is to clear cache data. First, navigate to the settings of your phone. Depending on your device, click on Storage or Storage and USB. Tap on Internal Storage or Device Storage. Here you'll see how much storage is occupied by which category, such as photos, videos, apps, and more. Now scroll to the bottom and tap Cache Data. A message will pop up on your screen saying Clear Cache Data. You can tap OK to confirm. With that, your device's cache data will be cleared and you'll have freed up some space on your device. You should also note that if your device doesn't allow deleting all the cache data at once, then you'll need to delete each app individually by navigating to its storage settings.